The DEH-7300BT features built-in Bluetooth. Let's take a closer look at the Bluetooth menu.
Before we talk about Bluetooth calling features, let's talk about the Bluetooth settings. To access the settings, we're going to press and hold the telephone key for a couple of seconds. The first setting that comes up on the list is the device list. Press enter on the multi-command button, and you see that this phone, Epic 4G, has been connected to this radio. That's the only phone that's been connected. As I spin the dial, if additional phones were connected, they would show up on this list. I'll go backwards. From device list, we go to delete device. Again, if I wanted to get rid of a phone that was once paired with the DEH-7300BT, I would select it from this menu and ask the radio to delete that phone. We'll go back again. Turn over to automatic connection is turned on. Most people like to start their car and know that the radio and the phone will automatically connect with one another with no interaction from the driver. You can turn this function off if you want to. Most people like to leave it turned on. Visibility is turned on. If you want the automatic connection feature to work properly, the radio has to be visible to your telephone. So leave visibility on if you're going to leave automatic connection turned on. Next is the PIN code. The default is 0000. If you wanted to change the PIN code to another number, you could do that using this menu. Next is the device information screen. If we press enter here, we see that we're using a DEH-7300BT, and if I turn the dial, we have the identification number for this particular radio. There are a couple more Bluetooth items in the radio's initial setup menu. Here's how you get to the initial setup menu. With power to the radio, we want to turn the source off. So press and hold the source key for a couple of seconds until the radio turns off. Now press and hold your multi-command button down until we get into the setup menu. Here we have clock set, auxiliary. We want to turn over to our Bluetooth settings. Here we have Bluetooth clear. If we enter into the Bluetooth clear menu, we can clear all of the data from the radio. That would include any phone numbers, recent history, or whatever happens through Bluetooth. We can clear all of that memory out of the radio with this function. We're going to go back on that one. And the next one over is version information. If we enter that, we see what version information is for the Bluetooth chipset inside the radio. Go back. And the last one is a software update. Software updates are periodically made available through Pioneer Electronics website.